Hi, my name is Bert, and I'm a research specialist here in the UChicago CAP facility. This is a short video on how to use our new COVID-19 capacity scheduler. If you've been having issues with the new scheduler and typically navigate to iLab via your own bookmark, instead try coming to our website, voices.uchicago.edu/UCFlow, and go to our iLab link here. Sign in if you're not already. I'll do that for myself. No peeking, please. And you could ignore this part, but as an administrator, I'm going to quickly switch view modes so that we will see what you would see as a user. So once you've logged in, you will see this page. Normally, we'd go straight to schedule equipment, and we'd use the resource that we want to use. Say, if we want to use the LSR X20, we would go to the benchtop analyzers. We still will do that. We need to view the schedule. But instead of making our reservations here, we're simply going to ensure that the instrument we want to use is available at the time and day we want to use it. So let's say, for example, I want to use the LSR X20 tomorrow from 12:30 to, it's only available to 1:30, so I'll just use it for an hour. So this is the slot I want here. I cannot click and drag to make reservations. This schedule is now locked to everyone except staff. So instead, you'll need to go back to these schedules. And you can see there's a warning in front of a normal scheduler directing you to the COVID-19 user capacity one at the top. It is the first option because we like to make things easy for our users, and we'll view this schedule. The capacity scheduler is broken up into 6 slots. These first 4 are for the main lab, and these are for the benchtop analyzers, your Fortesas, your Auroras, etc. And as long as all 4 slots are not filled up at any one time, that means lab capacity has not been reached. So I simply need to find an available slot from 12:30 to 1:30. Right here will work. I'll click and drag to make it as normal. And over here, I will then select which instrument I want to use. I said I want to use the X20. However, if I was flexible and could use multiple instruments, I could also select the HTS M415, for example. If you do this, we just ask that you make an event note over here about which instrument you would prefer if you have a choice. Once you've done that, you can hit Save Reservation. The request will be sent to the CAT staff immediately. We'll get an email. And rather quickly, we will review your request. And as long as the machine is available and your request does not violate our social distancing protocol, we will approve it. And you will be ready to use the instrument as normal. That is all you need to do.